Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen Golf 1.5 TSI, 130B R-Line with high beam assist, rear view camera, alloy wheels, and winter pack. This sleek white vehicle is packed with features including air conditioning, cruise control, satellite navigation, Bluetooth, and more. With safety features like ABS, multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. The car has been meticulously maintained with a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information on this fantastic vehicle today.